Who are you?
Alois Reitbauer. I'm working as a technology strategist for Dynatrace software. So Dynatrace is a company that's in business now for a couple of years, and what we're providing is a novel approach to software performance management. So most of you might already have been in contact with performance management, mainly in production environments, where you deal with the classical problem of having some production problem, somewhere having to find out what the problem actually is, and then solving the problem in production. So we started by introducing a new technology which is called PurePath technology that really allows us to trace each and every single transaction in an application, even across physical and logical tiers and technology boundaries. So imagine a system where you have thousands of transactions running and you can look at each one individually at code level. So what this brought in the first run was that people managed to resolve production problems much more easily than they could before, because they really got down code level details like remoting behaviors, SQL statements being executed. And so developers the first time immediately got the information they needed, as they had this information 24/7. What we then saw coming up was that people were pushing us and using us much more back in the application development lifecycle, where we realized that this was really a problem that a lot of people were facing. So for a long time, companies were telling you we have a solution in case you have a problem, that you can fix it, while it would have been much more help to solve those problems proactively. So that's why we moved back into test and development, even down to the developers' workspace. So when he really was writing code and compiling it to give him immediate performance feedback, and it was really very much pushed by our customers that, okay, we need something for load testing environments. We need something that continuously runs in our CI environments. And we even want developers to give immediate feedback in case they're checking code that doesn't work properly. So, for example, if a developer uses an OR mapping layer and creates hundreds of SQL statements, they don't want to wait 1 month for a larger scale load test to unveil those problems. And based on this, we built on top of our solution Dynatrace, which really supports all those stages for performance management, an approach we call continuous application performance management that really provides an integrated view and an integrated solutions how to integrate performance management really from the developer's work desk, starting with validating against common architectural principles, down to CI environments where you continuously evaluate the performance of your application, and it gets automatically checked against architectural rules. You're discovering performance regression in your code, really down into load testing and production diagnosis, which is really, I think, an innovation for a lot of companies that makes performance management much more easy and can really help them to get much more proactive on this. And I invite anybody who wants to know more to either go to our website, which is www.dynatrace.com, or to blog.dynatrace.com. So in the blog you can find a lot of examples, and we really help to isolate problems and can help you in doing performance management better.